In this video, we will draw a cricket bat and ball in easy steps. Draw the handle of the bat using a ruler and make straight lines. Then draw the bat with two long straight lines. Connect the handle and bat with slanting lines on both sides. Make the bottom part of the bat a little round. Add a small design where the handle joins the bat. Draw a top grip of the bat. Then draw a round circle for the cricket ball. Add two curved lines in the center to make the ball design. Now make a nice and bold outline around the bat and ball so it looks bright and beautiful. Draw the grip on the handle by making small lines with equal spaces. Let's color. I will color the cricket bat with a yellow color. Color the top and bottom designs of the bat with red. We will color the grip on the handle with light blue color. Color every other section with light blue to make a nice pattern. Color the remaining parts of the handle with grey. Now color the top grip of bat with red color. It's time to color the ball. Color it with light green color. Center design of the ball with red color. Now draw small red dashes on the middle line of the ball. This will make the ball look like a real cricket ball. Our beautiful cricket bat and ball drawing is complete now. I hope you enjoyed this easy drawing lesson. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next drawing video. Bye bye.